Kawadhi nyimeni jatend migao mar somo Julius Ogamba oduoko jatend duond bura mar DCP Gachagua kowacho ni jatelo no nyayo siasa mar akwede kowacho ni siasa ma kamago hinyo nyaka jopuonjre ma ok bede tulo mag rombe mag siasa. Kolose kine nyasi mar sidho ngire Kivutha Kibwana kaka chancellor mar mbalariany mar International Leadership University, Ogamba kwa jotelo mondo were kod weche manyaya akwede mar dho udi e sema jotend dinde bende ojiwo siasa mar kwe kendo makelo kanyakla mar oganda.
So this is a reminder that Steve Kilonzo, who has not been based in Kenya, and he is on in case you find that maybe this is shorter.
We are being told every other day by leaders to hate each other, to hate our country, to hate the next person. We don't see anything good in a person who perhaps does not come from your community. That is not what you taught us. That is not what this country is about.
Although I'm a teacher, but I also like to speak truth to power. And speaking truth to power is not just speaking to the government. If you want to do so, one must do it to government, to the opposition, even to our people, the society generally. Because if there is something that you can say and it can be of some influence, then it is influence to the total society.
Mokom jodak ma Migori oseduol mar pacho oganda e pacho kamano NCIC kuom rem tiyo makare